Unlock the secrets of the housing market with Redfin's data powerhouse and transform from a curious observer to a savvy real estate strategist. First, head over to Redfin.com. The most straightforward method is to use their main search bar. Type in a city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code you're interested in. Once you're on a locations page, scroll down to find the Market Insights section. Here, Redfin presents key metrics like median sale price, number of homes sold, and average days on market. Pay close attention to these trends. Are prices rising or falling? Is inventory increasing or decreasing? This gives you a snapshot of the current market conditions. Dig deeper by clicking on the graphs provided. These charts reveal historical data, allowing you to identify long-term trends and seasonal fluctuations. Look for patterns and anomalies that could signal shifts in the market. For the data-hungry analysts, explore the Redfin Data Center. This is where you can potentially find downloadable datasets, offering even more granular information. Keep in mind that access to detailed data or API usage may require a Redfin account or developer access. Now it's your turn. Download the data, import it into your favorite spreadsheet software or data visualization tool, and start analyzing. Look for correlations, outliers, and predictive indicators. This is where you can transform raw data into actionable insights. By mastering Redfin's data resources, you're empowered to make informed decisions. Whether you're an investor, a homebuyer, or simply curious about the real estate landscape, so dive in, explore, and unlock the power of data-driven real estate analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data-driven insights.